What's up, guys? Oh, do you know what I've forgotten to do? I knew I forgot to do something. Though to be fair, I don't even know if there's any point in doing it. I'm sure there is. There probably is some validity to doing it. I'm gonna have a look at these areas today. Okay, first things first. Let's mark out London high and low. London high was literally just taken out. Okay. I will also then just mark out this level here. I'm just gonna make it a solid line. I'm not gonna label it. Okay, because there is liquidity over there. Awesome sauce. I'm trying to decide, like, it feels like it's, I know me, I'm feeling a little toasty, and then later on I'm gonna get cold, so I'm just gonna leave that right where it is, and we'll make it work like this. Whee! I even made myself tea because, guys, it's cold. Oh, I know I'm such a big baby, but it's fine. So I don't want to draw this. Awesome. Oh my gosh, there's so many of these things. Anyways, it's fine. Let's see what we then get. Okay, that's in that range. What's up, Market Man in Atlanta? What's up, Sean? Heyo. How are we today? Are we all doing absolutely amazing? London high was just taken. So apparently this big spike over here, the deal was apparently signed. I don't know if I believe it anymore. Don't be shaking your head. Why not? I can shake my head if I want to. I whip my hair back and forth. I did. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Okay. I was trying to be like, what else do I need? All good questions, no good answers. Let's see. Oh, where are you going, Atlanta? You were here for like 5 seconds. It was the whipping hair back and forth thing, wasn't it? That did it for you. You're like, nah, I'm out. I'm out. You know, I was gonna do something now and I completely forgot what. Probably top to bottom. Okay, with that news that came out, bulls are probably gonna start taking over. How beautiful twin turbo opportunity to drive a footprint. I mean, that's valid. That is valid. That is definitely valid. I would say I'm jealous, but nah, I'm just gonna chill here. Let's see what we get today. The bulls might be back. Let's see. Okay, let's see if the bulls actually are back to play or not. And how about you? Aww, thanks. Let's see. 4 hour also looks like that. I mean, like I said, there's all this buy side liquidity. With that being said, there's also sell side liquidity. 1 hour. Bull's also being a little bit all over the place. Like I said, just took out the high. Okay. 15. Let the chaos unfold. Are you ready? So much chaos. Okay. So much chaos, but let's go for it. That's the 15-minute. We've now created obviously that massive flipping fair value gap. I know a lot of people are not actually going to be trading today. Will I trade? I have no idea. Morning, what's up, Bob? How you doing? $786 lost again. Damn bizarre. It sounds like you're going through that 10k real fast. Good grief. Okay, back to the one. Bullish bias for now it is. Ugh. Okay, yes, this chart is very chaotic. It's hurting my brain. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. Let's do this. 9:23. Cool, we have 7 minutes to go for opening. I'm going to pop this up purely out of curiosity more than anything else. I'm not gonna take that, but I am curious. What did I just say? I said curious, right? Something close enough. Said something that resembled that word, so that's okay. And I'm speaking all the rubbish and it's so early in the morning for some of you. For me, it's the afternoon time on a Friday. Do you know what that means? It means I can talk some gibberish. Who cares? Let's do this. Okay. So I know Debbie is saying potential bullish. Yeah, bulls actually might be. Let me check something here. Yeah, I think bulls are gonna be in play today. How often am I correct though? Not that often, so maybe bears are gonna start taking over. It may also just be Chop City, because the markets are closing early today. I know some people think it's closing at 9:30. I don't think it is. We're about to find out. Sean, you're looking bearish, maybe. Dagnabbit. Let's see. I must say, I need to improve my bias. I've not been doing great with that. What am I drinking? I'm drinking tea. It's cold. And I didn't want coffee because it's late in the afternoon. I'm like an old lady. I can't have coffee past a certain time or else I stay up the whole night. So I made myself tea because it's cold and I'm a big baby. Is anyone... I don't even know. I was gonna say, is anyone hoping for anything in particular, but... yeah. Probably not, hey? Tea for the winsies? Okay. Then we should be good to go now. Should be. Being the keyword. So, Anyone got anything super cool planned for this weekend or not really? Like, I'm just... yeah. Let's see what happens here. Looking for at least 690 if we break the top. Nice, nice. It's a good level to try and break. Oh, Jody! What's up, Jody Georgie? Jody Georgies. It's Friday. You know, the body is malfunctioning now. Oh! No. Okay, guys. This time next week, I will not be streaming. I will not be here next week, Friday. Because all my stuff's gonna be packed. And gone. So yeah, guys, I will not be here next week, Friday. I didn't even clock that. This is gonna be my last Friday stream. Here. I didn't even clock it. Jordy, are you ready? Are you gonna be taking trades because there's a holiday? Or are you not sure? Sorry, I have hiccups for days and it just... Okay. Scalp new house. I'm moving back up to Joburg, so I moved down to KZN. Now I'm moving back. Yay. Good question, Sean. So they'll come pick up everything on the Friday. They're dropping everything off on the Monday, so I won't be there Monday either. If I manage to get everything set up and ready, maybe Tuesday. That's a maybe. I don't know time. So if they come really late on the Monday, I won't be able to do Tuesday. Yeah, guys, it's a little bit all up in the air right now, so we'll have to just go with it. Hey, Madsen, what's up? How you doing? I'm Meridian buys, previous day high target, and Tuesday high. Ooh, okay. Okay, David, let's see. You're a whole lot braver than I am. Okay. Debbie, what the? How you doing, Deb? We're watching 2 minutes. Well, technically, actually, I guess a minute to go. Nearly a minute. Probably not, but if there's a setup, I may oblige. Let's see. Ah, oh, Madsen, you know what? I can't complain. You can never complain. Only happiness. That was weird, but you know what I mean. Let's see. 1 minute to go, and flipping volume's already drying up. Maybe it's drying up to show us something spectacular at open. I'm being real hopeful. Let's see. Okay, let's see.
Okay, let's go.
No! Did I? I did. No, do you know what? Do you know what? Do you know what? Do you know what? I was getting the markets pumped. I was just getting the markets pumped and ready to start rocking and rolling. So now, you know, that was like pre-warning. Now we have 10 seconds to go. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Now we're good. What's up, OTT? Oh, Madsen, you know what? I cannot complain. So, Debbie, you think there's going to be a pump on open. But how big was this? So this was a 11.5 point candle. Not great. Yes, that's just running away now. Not bad, not bad. Need a little bit of a pump. A little bit being the keyword here. Okay, that's our 9:30 candle. Boom, done. How big is it? I mean, nothing compared to what we've been getting. Let's put it that way. So this could still come and prove me wrong. This could still come and prove me wrong. I'm hoping it's not just gonna weld sideways. If it is, I'm gonna call it early, guys. It might be a quick 1 hour stream. Cool. At least it's better than flipping 10 minutes like yesterday, or 15 minutes at least. I at least went for 15 minutes yesterday. Oh well. It's okay. Some things... You don't know, some things have to... You have to put above trading now and then. Oh well. It's setting up for AMD. 9:30 push down into 5-minute fair value gap, then 10 AM expansion. Okay, David. I guess we are soon going to find out about that, hey? I mean, this fair value gap do be massive, so I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Guess let me pop this back on. But like I said, I won't be surprised if this is not great. Okay, my intake pretty weak. Aw, thanks, Deb. But no, I can't miss too much. I'm still maybe contemplating. I don't know if it's worth it though. Downloading the app on my phone, but I don't know. I feel a little bit nervous and hesitant to trade on my phone. I feel like if you're not used to it, it's gonna be weird. Entry at this midpoint of this bob level. That's something. This POC. Okay. Let's do this thing. If we get anything. Also, that was a very disappointing pump. It's not overfull, so you could be right about chop on open if I'm honest. So normally if there's a push before open, which there was, I know this was caused because of news, but still, generally, not always, because nothing is, you can never guarantee that things will always be one way or another. But in general, when there's a pump before New York tends to go sideways. Boo. So, if we ignore that and we think this was just pre-New York, that this didn't have a pump, so it won't be choppy. It's probably gonna be choppy. Which is fine. Which is fine. Were we expecting magic today because of the holiday? No. So, this is not unexpected. So, what's everyone's plans then for the weekend? Are you guys gonna do anything cool? I'm gonna have to try, like, you know, get inspired because I have to pack. Let's see how long this deal lasts for. Yeah, so you guys are gonna have to tell me how amazing your weekend is going to be because I have to pack. And pack. And pack some more. Looking for a D690 if we break the top. Okay, let's see, Market Man. Was going to ask what's my tattoos of. Oh, this is Sunny, my snail. I got you. There we go. Can you see it better? This is Sunny, my snail. He's also surrounded by peach blossoms. Very, very cool. Peach blossoms, because I had a peach tree growing up. He has a mushroom on his back as well. So Sunny, the snail, and the mushrooms represent my mother. and the peach blossoms where I grew up, I had a peach tree just outside my house. And my favorite thing in the spring was, yeah, waking up and looking outside my window at those peach blossoms because they were beautiful. Let's just be real. But yeah, that's my one tattoo that you guys can see. I feel your pains. I'll be thinking of you while I'm not packing. That was rude. that was mean. Wow.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, flip guys, I absolutely hate packing. To be fair, I have packed majority. of things, so it's not like there's tons, but you know those little things that take forever. It's the little things that you don't even realize you have to pack, and then last minute you're like, oh no. Speaking of, here was actually sure, let's call that first presented. If that was first presented, here's a proper first presented though. I'm gonna pop that over there. Here's a proper fair value gap. That did not go down into that fair value gap like I thought it would. This is just ranging in the 930 damn candle right now. I'm gonna need it to break properly before I get excited. Though, market man, this looks like it is going up in your favor. I hate packing and moving house. It's the worst thing to do in the world. It's not, but apparently it's one of the top 5 biggest stresses a person can go through. Which I get. I honestly understand that completely. What's up, Ninja? How you doing? My weekend will be filled with sketching practices, reading Become Your Own Financial Advisor by Warren Ingram, and ironing my work uniform. That's quite cool. I love it. I love it. That's a very good productive way to have your weekend. You know, majority of people say binge watch things. Maybe I need to stop being a grown-up like that and start reading more books. To be fair, when I start reading, I can read like non-stop. Just haven't found a good book recently. Just disappointing. The other 4 are probably all trading related. Do I actually need to touch grass? I don't know when last I even went to the grocery store. When last did you go outside? Just ask. To be fair, okay, OTT, I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt here. I'm gonna be nice. It is winter. The last thing I want to do, like, I didn't go for a walk today because it's overcast and cold here, so I was like, hell no, I'm not going to set foot on the beach when it's, number 1, it was raining a little bit, so I'm not walking in the rain. Number 2, it was windy. I'm not walking on the beach when it's that windy because that's when it stings your legs, and that's not fun. And number 3, it was cold. So in winter, I understand. It's so much nicer to just stay in bed. What are your plans for the summer holidays, Deb? Are you guys gonna do anything special? Jade Cap was right. You make the most money when you just lock in on the grind, yeah. This is still yet to break out of this. Okay, I'll leave that up just out of curiosity. Florida native Jay, what's up? How you doing? Yes. Hey, damn, it's time for when they go back to school. That's rough. Oh, that is hilarious. Oh my gosh, okay. Can't you go do something cool to keep them busy? You know, I don't know. Fishing. People enjoy that, right? I don't enjoy fishing so much, but that's just me. What do normal human beings enjoy? Seriously, what do normal people enjoy doing? Because I know the things I enjoy are not normal, so... Asking for a friend, what do normal people enjoy? You going, yeah. Ah, damn. Flip. This is... Yeah. No, we'll be doing all sorts, but... Just a ton. Much needed holiday. I'm jealous. Can I come with? Can we also make it, I know it's so stereotypical and apparently it's not that fun and it's so expensive, but Disney World? I'm sorry, Disney World looks like fun. But in the same breath, standing in queues does not look so much fun. Maybe that should be people's goals, to be so rich that they can just hire out the whole park and do whatever they want for the day. That's goals right there, but that's rich. $9.42. Still got nothing. Yeah, this is most likely gonna be a nah day for me. But that place, especially Paris one. Oh, see, I've never gone to any. The best we got down here in South Africa, and to be fair, it is really nice. Just before I sound like I'm being judgy, it's really nice. I actually shouldn't complain. We at least have Gold Reef City. Gold Reef City is like pretty cool. I don't think it's as big and as like extravagant. But I mean, you do have some cool rides and things, so. Market is yep. It's butt cheeks right now, OTT. Who was it that said that earlier? And I was like, what? Did say it, and I was like, okay. Has done that type of thing in Australia. Really? In which they mainly enjoy drinking to pass the time. Recreational facilities are seriously needed here. Yeah, Madsen. That's what I noticed down here is people drink, do... I'm trying to keep this PG. Substances. And cheat on each other. That's what I've kind of gathered from this flipping like place that I call Narnia, because what on earth? It's insane. It is insane. But yes, the best is going to the pub in the morning for breakfast. I go for breakfast because they have such a good deal of 70 Rand for like a whole awesome breakfast, so why not? Cheap, and it's yummy. I will go there at 8:30 in the morning, sometimes earlier, but let's say 8:30 in the morning. There's already people there drinking and doing shots at 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and I'm just like, guys, you need hobbies, please. Gold Reef City equals bad memories. Why, OTT? Wait to use the full dream on. I got dumped there, I'll never recover. Oh, OTT. You. Gold Reef is boring now if you're out. When last did you go to Gold Reef, Dottie? Like, genuinely, when last did you go? And did you go with fun people? Because when I went last, it wasn't actually that long ago. I actually had quite a good time. It was really fun. Anyone planning a trip, they go to the American one. As much as it's paying me to say, it's actually loads better environment and crowd-wise. If I say what I mean, you might get banned. Oh, okay, got it. So then Sorry, I went on a complete rant about Narnia over there. Yeah, Geordie, I think you just have to go with the right people. Genuinely, I think you just have to go with the right people. Imagine paying for the tickets, food, and end it like that. So she even waited until the end of the day and then dumped you. No, OTT, I need her name and number. I'm gonna prank call her and tell her she's mean. I'm kidding, I won't do that. Send me the details. Anyways. See, Geordie and OTT, I feel like we just have to go and have a fun experience. And a good memory of Gold Reef. I have mixed memories. I have some good, I have some bad. But majority are good, so that's a good thing, right? I laughed at that and then now I'm trying to decide if I should be offended by that or not, but... When you're right, you're right. Who said that? Please. Do. I meant we've been so much now. Oh, I guess it's the only place you can go, so you're gonna keep going. Yeah, that makes sense. When else did you go though, Geordie? Because I know they do have some new rides and things. Not to be fair, I haven't been in some time. Ha ha ha. Geordie, man, real. This like would never. I'm sorry. The diva would never. Are you sure about that one? Did I just move the whole thing up? Or no, I didn't. Okay. Well, it still hasn't broken above this 9:30 AM candle. Okay then. You dodged a bazooka. Ferris wheel, big wheel scares the... To be fair, I haven't actually gone on that thing. But the Anaconda and the Golden Loop. I've even done the... It's called the Miner's Revenge. Yeah. I've done everything else. No, that's not... What's the big one? The Tower of Terror, that's it. I've done everything. I don't think I've done the huge Ferris wheel. Gold Reef City. Honestly, Madsen, some people are just mean. That's mean. Thank you. Is that goth baddie? Yeah. She won't dump you at a fun place. It's gonna be a scary place that you were questioning if you should go there in the first place. OTT, I'm sure they would have banana milkshakes at, Gold Reef City. Sorry, we're now on a random talk about Gold Reef City, but oh my gosh. When Maya gets to 20k subs, she gotta go base jumping. What's base jumping? Is that like bungee jumping? I'm not bungee jumping. I will do, I mean, I already have. I've done a gorge swing. I'll do another gorge swing. I'll go skydiving. I'm not going bungee jumping. Ooh! No, I'm confused now. What is base jumping? Is base jumping the squirrel outfits or not? I'll do it though. I can't forgive NQ because it's a goth daddy, probably like 2 years or so. I'm good with those extreme ones. It's that calmer, slow ones that scare me a little. Yeah, because they creak and make noises and you go, nah, nah, nah. There's no G-force or inertia keeping me in this thing at all. No, he hates them. He hates them. Everyone, I used to be a goth when I was growing up. Kind of grew out of it as I got older. Debbie used to be a goth baddie. She's trying to convince OTT that she's the one for him. I knew it. This is kind of painful to be watching right now. I did say I would give it an hour, but okay, maybe that's gonna be too long. Sure. Wait. Let's see. Okay, wait, I know what to do. I know what to do. I'm gonna ask this question and it's gonna be genuinely because I'm curious. Oh, what did I just do? I feel like I know a majority of this thing, but... Yep. Luxury gaming setups, I know, don't worry, I did expect this, so I'm not like shocked by this. Yeah. Don't think I'm in any form of, oh my gosh, I didn't know it was going to be like this. It doesn't mean it doesn't suck. I think yes. Also, the answer will always be no. Anything? Oh gosh. Damn. Okay, oh my. Oh my gosh, some people have actually taken trades. Who's taken a trade? I don't know if I'm respecting you or judging you right now. Probably respecting. I'm probably respecting you. Hey, Project Freedom. No, don't worry. I'm low-key just chinchilling out of curiosity. But can you see how I'm very actively looking for a trade right now? Yeah, I'm just watching out of curiosity. How are you doing, Project Freedom? Took an Asian, called it a week. Valid. So I did have a little win during London today, so that was cool. That was cool. It was little, but still something's better than nothing. Me, damn, Ninja, what? This might be a past day. Yeah, JP. Just a little bit. I haven't seen it this bad in a while. Wow. But you know what? We're having fun. Do you know what we should do? Ooh, it's Friday. It's Fun Fact Friday. Fun Fact Friday. Fun Fact Friday. Fun Fact Friday. Try to say that fast, real fast. So many times. I now feel gross. Oh, this fun fact that I just saw. Okay. Okay, wait, let me quickly read what you guys said and then I'll show you because I can't be the only one that suffers through this. Doing much better tonight. How have you been? Oh, Project. Wait, what do you mean doing much better tonight? Why? Me, but it was yesterday, I think. Oh, okay. Here. Butterfly. What's up, Brian? How you doing? I think you guys need to witness this. If I had to witness this, y'all are also gonna witness it. I feel like that's only fair. Okay, are you ready? In the 1800s, some wealthy people wore dentures made from teeth pulled from dead soldiers at the Battle of Waterloo. These later became known as Waterloo teeth. You know what? I said fun facts, not gross facts. Anyways, this was cool. This I didn't know. Did I see this on this fun fact thing? Have we seen this before? But anyways, I thought this was cool. Cats can hydrate from seawater. I think we have. I think we've discussed this. Because their kidneys efficiently filter out the salt, while humans and most animals risk dehydration from drinking seawater. I'm pretty sure we did that. Anyways. What's up, some guy? How you doing? Welcome. Welcome to the Slowpoke place. Well, we expected it, right? We knew that there was a holiday. So now we're just doing some fun facts. And waiting. Let me double check. Oh, wait, it's moving. Kind of. Okay, I mustn't get too excited just yet. This is just wiki wild stuff right now. So let's do 2 more and then we'll have a look-see. Logging workers have the most dangerous job in America. They are followed by fishing and hunting workers and roofers. Okay. What? Okay, can someone confirm or deny this one? For 72 seconds in 1977, receivers on Earth picked up a signal from deep space dubbed the WOW signal. We're not sure what it is, or what it was, sorry, or where it came from. That's cool. See? That was a fun fact. That teeth thing, I didn't have to know. I didn't want to know that on a Friday, but okay. If I had to see that, you guys had to see it, so it's fine. Fun fact, I saved a hedgehog today. Oh my gosh, did you keep him or did you take him to like a rescue sanctuary? Is this the break upside? It might be. 609 hit. Market man, well done. Who is dead? This is suitable, hopefully saved. Yes, that's true. Bored with price action. I remember my late night alien adventure. What? You did a what now, RGT? Yes, it's true and it's been decoded. Okay, what was it decoded to? I posted in real. Oh, I'm just. Of course, I want to see him. Let me go check. 6. Don't worry, Market Man. I knew what you were talking about. Of course, I want to see him. Little hedgehog. Oh, buddy. Oh no. He disappeared. On my way home from Daytrading this morning. Oh. Okay, Hedgehog Sanctuary ever really come and picked him up? Okay, fingers crossed it's not just him and the poor boy. Be kind to your local spiky boys. So I always go and I rescue animals. If you guys want to hear a random, I don't know, it's a random story from my childhood. Of how I got my bunny. And I called him Squiffy. Been picked up. Okay, cool. Forecast 30 degrees. Damn! It's gonna be hot over that side. I'll send you the link. It was Jay who told me. Thanks, Deb. Yeah. That's insane. I think. That's pretty insane. Okay, wait. Oh, it's nearly 10 a.m. open. Are we gonna get anything? Okay, yeah, so majority of people are just saying, nope, 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 not trading this. Almost as warm as that winter you complain about. Listen, I was in a jersey and I took it off because it was getting a little bit spicy. It is cold and dingy and dark outside and it rained a little bit and it's windy and and it's gonna be so much worse in Joburg. I need to prepare myself. So it feels like it's probably a nice path for Joe weekend. This market is dead. Yeah. Wait, it's moving. Here's the 10 a.m. candle. Is it just going back into this range? Yep. Okay. Let's see. Do 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 do. That's gonna be stuck in my head now. I'm hyped for early morning. See Sims again. Last few weekends it's being like 10 degrees at 5 a.m. Yeah, see, that's not. Yeah, that's not fun. That's not fun. No thanks. I love it. There was someone here when it was yesterday. It was warm, don't get me wrong, I was still in a long sleeve shirt. And this man was like, "Ah, the snorkeling here is so great. Are you gonna come and snorkel later?" I was like, "No." They were like, they were so confused. They're like, "Why not?" And I was like, "It's cold. I'm not getting in the water. It's winter." I like only get in the water if it's 30 degrees and up. Otherwise, I'm a very big baby. Or unless some guy forces me to jump into the pool. You missed your opportunity. Today would have been the day. Can I just say? Oh, it's cold and miserable. Today would have been the day. You picked a sunny day. Don't let you have to off your rocket. If you pass eval and then they fund you and then you lose it, you have to pass the... Hey guys, if you pass your eval and then they fund you and then you lose it, you have to pass the eval. It depends. You can just reset it. Yeah. Actually, that's a good point. I mean, if you buy a new eval, then yes, you would have to pass the eval again. I do like a bit of cold exposure sometimes, but when it's already warm, it's my favorite. So my friend who lives in London does the ice baths thing. I'm not gonna lie, I judge her for that because you're gonna have to threaten me before I get into an ice bath. That's all I'm saying. Nope. Went to a running festival a couple of years back, and after the race entered, they had a free ice bath. And I did it for 2 minutes. No. It was horrible. Would do again. Would or wouldn't? Did autocorrect butcher you on that one? Because no. Just no. Okay. Just no. Oh, okay. Yeah, like I said, you're gonna have to threaten me to get me into an ice bath. I will not willingly do that. That's just not who I am. Lean into discomfort, choose your suffering. Yeah, but that's why I choose exercise. Like, isn't that enough? And I choose riding horses. I feel like that's enough suffering. And I trade. That's like the Whopper. I'm crazy because he is retreating with you. Here it's 9 degrees now. Hell no. Nice bath, no, it's cold showers. I have been there a couple of winter days. You've had cold showers on winter days? Nah. Nah. A lukewarm shower on a very hot day, maybe. Otherwise, it's scalding hot showers. I'm that person, I'm so sorry. Riding horses equals suffering. My guy, have you ever ridden a horse? I love it to the ends of the earth. But wow, it can sometimes be the most heartbreaking thing you ever do in your life. I was always going to throw children suffering at you, doing hard things and learning into discomfort helps you make you do things I heard. Rules at you? Yeah, so I didn't even do that water of your head challenge. Neither did I, but it wasn't such a thing in South Africa, to be fair. Was it? I just never did it. Yeah, it's hard that you don't want to do. I don't want to run, but I do. I really don't like running, but I make myself run. Does that count? I feel like that counts. What else do I do that I don't want to do? I don't want to get out of bed in the morning, but I do. No, kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Anyways, 10:06. Wow, does this price action suck today? Oh well. I did say at least an hour. I did say at least an hour, so we have like 24 minutes to see if maybe it starts giving us some oomph. You used to ride horses? You take cold showers most days. Hated the after ride grooming and things. That is the best part. The bonding is the best part. I think it's a man thing, maybe. Hey, Thomas, probably just watching. I don't know if it's very smart to trade in this. Are you trading today, Thomas? How are you, by the way? Long time no see. Hope you're doing well. How's the trading been? Doing hard things and you know helps to strengthen the interior. Which is by far they've been able to tell a key part of the brain for survival drive. I love jumping from the sun to ice baths. Feels so nice. Crawford? You're built differently. I have respect for you. But you're built different. Answer for cold showers, I don't have a choice. Answer for horses, I've never more shameful facial expression. Andrew was a really good explanation with somewhere on YouTube. Very worth the watch, listen. Ooh, okay, some guy. Pop me the link if you find it. Doing great, and no, I'm not trading today. 7.5 hour this week. That's not bad, that's really good. Thomas, what the heck, man? Well done. So trading has been treating you well? Because you've kind of went off the face of the earth, so, you know, want earth. So yeah, hope you're doing good. I would have shorted if I wanted, but it's no trade do. You would have shorted here? Really? Maybe. Let's see. The bulls might still be in control, but we're gonna see. We're all just sitting and watching and chin-chilling. Hey, Ollie, are you still here? Ollie, do you want to do the honors of picking a butterfly today? I did kind of, that's because I was teaching a group of people today. Oh, that's cool. And how are they doing? Oh, I love the support, Nansen. You're such a sweetie pie. How do I pick one? Just go Google a butterfly you like and pick it and tell me and send me a message. Nah, just throw the name out on the chat. Most of them are funded and some are taking payouts. What the heck, man? That's amazing. Seriously, well done. Are they your friends and you were just kind of figuring things out, or did you start like mentoring? Oh, no ways. You're from SA too, but from Durban, but live in the UK now. We're used to the hot weather, but love the cold too. Takes time to build the body up to be used to the cold. That's fair. So Crawford. Okay. As you can see, I don't do well with cold, but for some reason I do prefer cold over heat, because in my opinion, you can do something about the cold, right? You can just put more layers on. You can do something to warm yourself up. When you're hot, you're hot. That's just how I view it, but I do better in hot weather. Anyways, point of the story is I literally next week am moving from KZN, hot and humid as heck, to Joburg in the middle of winter. And apparently Joburg has been freezing. And obviously I'm not used to it. I'm now used to KZN winter, which is hot and humid. This is gonna be fun. They'll reach out to me and we put something together. Oh, nice, okay. Surely it runs up to a previous day high. Paul? Probably not. Well, no, it might, but maybe very, very, very slowly. Thanks, some guy. So they all reached out to me and we put something together. So to be fair, some guy, does swimming with sharks count? Because I was terrified. I wanted to do it to experience it, but absolutely terrified to do it. And I did it outside of the cage. I feel like that kind of in a way counts. It's same with the gorge swing. Terrified to do it. Terrified to do it. Or is it something that you shouldn't want to do at all? And heating up, it's so much easier to heat up than to cool down. Yeah. Yeah. Some guy, I agree with that. Did you butterfly got the smile, lavender heard, minus 32, so you can do this. That's fair. No tip reef sharks, awesome experience. Aha! So to be fair, I think I also swam with the no, I swam with the black tip sharks. Oh, I got your link. Thank you. I'm gonna watch it now. Sorry, we're having chitty chats today. What? Oh my gosh. Microwave, your butterfly cool as heck. Okay, you guys ready? This is microwave's butterfly of the day. Look at this photo. What? Okay, anyway, so it's the California dog-faced butterfly. A little bit rude, but also why would they call it the dog-faced butterfly? Is there something in a way that maybe looks like a dog? I don't see it. Like, I'm trying to see on this one if maybe the patterns look like a dog. Maybe if you're doing, how was, you know, when you did like a shadow puppets on the wall, I guess it in a way could look like that. I don't know. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. Woof, woof. I'm so cringy, I'm so sorry. Okay, let's find some more information on this. I regret being so cringe. Okay, let's see. You swam with what? They called the black tip sharks. Then when I know about humans kept the distance and any sudden movement from any of us and they just bolted. Oh damn. I'm the type of person who would hear a sound in a horror movie and be like, let's go check it out. Oh, I would. Why am I blocked? Okay, doesn't like me. Let's try this one. Aha. Okay. To be fair, what was that noise? To check. Oh. Yeah. Mario G-Man, what's up? Oh man, when I was living in I was fishing, had a few reef sharks follow me around. Bug stole my fish? That is so rough. I was thought about Pikachu when you showed the butterfly. Real sees glimpse of a gross. Oh man, okay. Let's see. Often called the Golden State because of the Golden Rush history. What? Oh, California. Oh, okay. What? That's giving a random history on California. That's not what I wanted. Let's try this again. Ah, this one I know is not bad. Don't need that. Wingspan of 5.1 to 6.3 centimeters. Males patrol for females. Okay, stalker. Anyways, 2 flights from April to May and July, August. Caterpillar hosts usually false indigo in the pea family. That was cute. Anyways, adult food is flower nectar. So habitat is foothills, chaparral, oak or coniferous, oh my gosh, I'm butchering English. English? Woodlands, okay, okay. Range North Central California south to Baja California, west of Central Mountains and deserts. Conservation none usually required, so they're pretty common, I guess. Here you can see where they're at. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's not that many of them. Okay, that's enough speaking for me. Apparently that's all my English depleted for a whole while. Apparently I don't know what English is anymore. I'm a curious guy, what can I say? Who has taken a trade? I know some. Butterfly of the day, California. Matt Kodo, hi, what's up? How you doing? Let's see. No sharks were games. Have you taken a trade today? Took one, moved my stock up to just over break even, then. So Crawford, I had a trade during London. I haven't taken anything during this. So yeah. But I did have a trade during London. It was a nice little winner. So that was cool. Mine and English are not friends anymore. No, it's gone. It's just, Debbie, it's depleted for the week. It's gone bye-bye. I don't know what to even say anymore. It has left me. Till some Monday. Today no trade for me, bank holiday. Yeah, no, probably. I think majority of people aren't gonna trade this, but that being said, in the poll, 60 people are saying no, which means 40% are, well, 40% of the people that answered have taken trades, which is crazy. Yeah. I mean, you know, good, sure. You can trade this, well done, but this sucks. This is just gonna be chop suey deluxe. Congrats on the London. Oh, thanks, Madsen. Appreciate you. Eval only? What's up? Oh, you're saying trade eval only? Is that what you're saying? I like your vibe. Only been watching for about 6 weeks. I trade MES. Your ray of sunshine in the trading creator space. Aww! Aw, Stuart. That made my day. Thank you. Mad love. You're awesome. Mad look at the 5 minute on ES. Best trading day you've seen in months. Okay, no, you're being very sarcastic. Got it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. That's a literal barcode. I wonder if we scanned it, what it would say. I wonder if we did have to scan this. What would we get? Hopefully. I was gonna be a bit of a chop and be like, it would say you got cheeks. But never mind. Oh, it's not being so weird. Oh wait, put a VP over it. Okay. You here? Are you trading with a prop firm? If so, which one? Have you actually taken a payout before? Paul Griffiths, what's up? Yes, I am trading a prop firm. Top 1 Futures, been with them for a while. I have not taken a payout though. So. Mr. 1K, what's up? How you doing? Amelia Ross, hi. How are you? Betty slowly creeping up towards a couple potential short zones around. How proud we get there and have direct approach and then lose the level. Okay, wait. I thought, no, wait, you didn't say you weren't trading, you just said markets were closed. You can trade this, just takes longer. okay, let me rephrase. You can trade this. For my way of trading, this wouldn't work. I can almost see or guarantee that already. That being said, I mean, it would have worked, but like you said, it would have just taken a heck of a long time. I took a few massive wins yesterday, and in the wee hours of the morning today, nice Mario G man. Put a VP over it. Scan it with Spotify. Can you scan it with Spotify? Rob, am I channel? No, I'm not channel trading. I said if we hit a PO, I have confirmation. I'll take the strip. Right, you did. Two. Oh, damn. Okay. Actually. Interesting. So I wanted to see what Ollie was talking about, but... Huh. Alrighty then. I'm gonna watch that. Sorry, that concentration. Not actively scalping. Oh, you're not tracing it. Do we know? Emotions are high, emotion trend. Here comes the pullback, scalping the range from passing the evil. Damn, Amelia. You brave as heck. Opportunity is endless, capital is not. Patience pays. It's day trader, not everyday trader. Should make sure it's... the setups are still getting prepared, they're not ready yet. I think they'll only be ready on Monday, to be fair, because I mean the charts... Whoa, I just spoke so fast, I'm so sorry. Because I mean the charts are closing in like... What, 1.5 hours? Not even? Reaching that thing with Asia High. Yeah, we basically only have an hour and a half left until the market closes anyways because of the holiday, so yeah. I could be cheeky and take things on the paper. I could do that. I could try paper trading this, but I don't know if it's worth it. Mikawabe? Why are you so mean? Why are you so mean to me? It's getting cold now. See, this is why. I'm stuck. Wait. I thought I was being clever. Ah, I'm not being clever. I'm being dumb. I'm falling apart. I'm falling apart. This is what falling apart looks like. Okay. There we go. That's better. Oh my gosh, this so much. You have to stream until the market closes in 30 minutes after, so you have 20 minutes left. Oh heck no, Rob. Nah. I'm respectfully, I'm not sitting through this. I don't mean to be that guy. Mike, can you do something for what's up, Demonte? 120 left bars. Hey, Amelia, look at you go. You go, Cupcake. I don't know why I said it like that, but you know, put them all at the bottom of the ring. Like here. On my paper. I'm not putting it on my funded. I'll put it on the paper. Okay. Stop loss where and TP where? Rolf? So it's on the paper just before I get yelled at. Benson, you're so supportive. I hope you know that. You are such a sweetie pie. Rolf, I am waiting. I need a stop loss and a TP. Let's go. I'm not trading, done for the day. But this is my TP. Okay, so TP here. No, are you saying what? Rolf, you're gonna have to explain a little bit better. And then stop loss. Because this is where it is. Or were you hoping that that is where entry is? See, I'm now very confused. Give me exact. Tell me numbers. Whilst we're gonna be having this discussion for a while. No, my tea is getting cold. Okay, well, I mean, that being said, we are nearly done. Nearly gonna be calling it for the day, because good grief. I think this is gonna just keep on chopping. We either go up or down in about the same amount of ticks. Weird. Um... 658 is where you want what? The entry or TP? That's what I'm asking, Rolf. What do you want there? Not that way, to be honest. Price range is more than it does anything else. Like that, bub. I have some homework for you. I believe we'll educate you. Right. It's a lot of work, but I'll DM on what to do. Okay, thanks, Demonte. Oh, for entry. 5-8. Okay. Done. Okay, and then TP and stop loss. I'm calling it to anyone who's swing trading can hold over weekend, go long. Sorry, where PC entry from? 4 for like 20-25 points. That's not where I have it. Interesting. Thanks, Debbie. Rolf, I'm waiting for TP and stop loss whilst I'm cancelling it. Just saying, no pressure, no pressure. Ah, there we go. Sorry, I was being impatient. So on my way to Chick-fil-A. Oh, look at you go. Stop at 645. And TP at 855. Good grief. Okay. Bruh. Okay. Cheers, some guy. Okay. Well, Ralph, I have it set. Okay. Gonna see how it reacts there. Let's see if you get picked up. We have broccoli in the... It might. Oh, still struggling. It's... Well done. Proud of you. Proud of you. Okay, well, it's in. Yeah, some guy, have an amazing weekend. See you on the flippity flop side. Pretty fun if you're letting up. I think we'll come down, clear that, and then go back up, take out previous highs. Okay, Paul, again, the question is, when do you think this is going to happen? Because I don't think any of that's going to happen today, just personally. Cannot picture any of that shenanigans happening today. So, let's see. Cheers, Crawford. Enjoy. Hey, Umkar, what's up? I can see us going to the daily open and finishing flat. Amelia, I agree with you. Oh my gosh, Bob, that is amazing. They know your name and oh my, how often do you go? You must be a regular. Do they know your order? Do they know your order though? I've had that a few times where I rock up and they're like, because I always get the same thing. So I almost don't have to say anything, they just type in my order. Trying to decide if it's embarrassing or flattering. Might even the algos are calling it a day. No, they really are. Fair point, there's not long to go, but it's unlike New York Station to accumulate this much and then clock off. No. No, Paul, there's a holiday. There's a bank holiday going on. Yeah, it's literally, the charts are closing in an hour and a half. So this only has an hour and a half left to do things. I feel like it had its momentum here before anything happened, and now it's just gonna go sideways because of the holiday. Yeah, ICT, what's happening? What's up, OTT? I'm good. Thank you. You react to my messages. Thanks. You're so cute. Oh my gosh, this volume. What did I just say? Did I say volume like a normal human? I don't know if I did. Aw, look who's back. Atlanta. Meanie. I feel like some people genuinely do. Maybe not you, but some people genuinely. Okay. We're about to get the 2 to 1. I'm so confused. I feel like, but TP's all the way up there. No, I'm sorry. TP's further up there. Bad week? Bad song? Maybe it's just that? Possible. right? Oh my gosh, okay. That was a very good entry, though, Rolf. Nice call there. Sure. Very, very nice call there. Oh, what's the TP level, Rolf? Okay, if you said 855, did you mean 655 maybe? No, 655 is further down. 685. Okay, that makes more sense. I was like, damn. 685. No. That makes more sense. I was like, damn, Rolf is wanting us to hold forever and ever and ever. True, yeah, with that holiday and digital. Coming out, people would be fearful of taking trades at the moment. Is this a 1 to 2 hour trade or a 1 to 3 hour? Looks a little bit longer than a 1 to 2 hour. Could be wrong. Oh no, it's well, it's just over a 1 to 2 hour trade. Sorry, but it probably won't go up to 885. Probably not. No. No, I can't picture it going that high. Just a sneaky suspicion I got. Oh, there's a couple of kids there that know my name. Aww. I love it. What's your version of a kid? Actually. Like, how old are they? I feel like... Now I leave it alone. Beep dee 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 dee. Birdo birdo burp burp burp. Birdo birdo. Sorry guys, this chaos is what happens when I let my hair dry naturally. It goes all over the place. We could have definitely had a 1-to-1. True. Teenage. Okay, that's fair. And I agree with you. Well, definitely a 1-to-1. Yeah, Rolf, you're not wrong. Huh? It do be going. Let's see. Like I said, very good call on the entry. Very, very good call on the entry there. Boy, damn, Amelia, look at you go. Amelia, no, wait, I'll reserve the whoop whoop for when you pass. When you get my age, I realize that you're still a kid until you're 30. Oh, guys, I'm still a kid. Oh, no adult responsibilities. I wish. Oh, can you imagine? Life would be so much easier. Do you ever trade at the time? Maybe sometimes. Yeah, no, not really. Sometimes the 5 minute. I do check the 5 minute and I get my point of interest off of my 15 minute. Do 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 do. Sorry, I'm making all the noise. I want to be cheeky and move this to break even. And just say, you know, if it takes me out, cool. If not, me. But let's leave it alone. 5.35 minutes. What a... Good grief. Damn, Mikuave. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty hectic. 35 minutes. You know, gotta admire the dedication. Bob 100% facts. So does that mean I only have to start acting responsible when I'm like 30? That's great. I'll be happy with that. I don't want to be responsible. That's so much effort. I'm out now, just kind of 1-to-1, but how boring. Imagine it's still. Just break even and put it on the dot. I didn't say anything. Oh! Yes! 9 left. Damn, Amelia! Okay. I feel like we now have to wait for Amelia. I feel like now we're in this, sure, but now we're waiting to all celebrate with Amelia. So we'll wait for Amelia. Let's go, Amelia, let's go. Let's go, Amelia, let's go. You got your whole cheerleading squad out here. Rolf, this thing is struggling to break. It is struggle busing out here. Just saying. It's trying. I will give it that. It is trying its best. Still nothing, still nothing, still nothing. I have to go. Aw, cheers, Matt. Enjoy. Yeah, we're sticking around. I think we need a price action today. Yeah. That's why I called the ball at first. So it gets mad. Oh, that makes sense. Cheers. We're waiting for Amelia. No pressure, Amelia. No pressure. So how many flipping trades have you taken? So many questions. Well, we wait. We sit and we wait and we wait. I'll make you proud. Give me 5 minutes. I think I'm having a midlife crisis. Why? What happened? Bob, are you okay? What happened? Give me 2 seconds. Be right back. Amelia, when I'm back, I want good news. Okay. Ow. Make proud of her. Just clarify. Who is Bob? Casey is Bob. And just yeah. Whoop whoop. Amelia. Yes! So proud. So proud. So proud. So proud. So proud. Amelia, well done. That is amazing. Seriously. Well done. That is awesome. It's meant to be, you know. Shout out to Amelia. Oh, Debbie, you're still here. What's up? Oh my gosh. Oh, we are all so proud of you, Amelia. Well done. That is awesome. So now you passed eval. Next, right? Next is the funded. The F word. Funded. Anyways. Oh, I hope you can see all the messages. You're getting so much support, Amelia. Well done. See, this is what community is about. Sorry, I don't know why I made it weird. It's what I do. 36 scalps, 174. 36 scalps. 36 scalps. Damn, what prop firm are you with? Or can we just come back to him? Oh, just say that anyway. Oh my gosh. Anyways. You ever start thinking about all my guys? No, Bob, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You've got this. Think about how many more you have, because you do. You have so many more. And oh my goodness, it's teasing the TP. Just saying. I'm about to eat this delicious breakfast and watch Young Sheldon. Ooh, banner. To be fair, watch Young Sheldon. I love the dad. They always made the dad out to be so terrible in Big Bang Theory. And bruh. Nuh-uh. Okay. I mean, I thought it was funny. Thanks more into passing me was fast. I don't trade like that on funded. Okay, that makes sense though. Still, what prop firm are you with? Good grief. Some of them don't like it when you do that. Depends on the rules, I guess, eh? I'm gonna grab the TP. I'm kind of clicking anyway, so don't be offended. Yeah, Rolf, that was a little bit rude. That was a little bit rude. Rough. When it takes a while to ban me from stream, now you get Apex. Okay. Oh my gosh. If it doesn't reject off of this, I might close it. Let's see. Okay. Potential. What do you know? I'm all done. A live trader would have just taken it manually. Oh, okay. 8, 7. Let's see how it closes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Do it reject off of it. See if it comes back. There we go. Y'all, I'm way too dedicated to seeing this through now. Rolf, this is your fault. Just kidding. Very good call. I mean, that literally bottom ticked. Really, really well done. Very good call on that entry there. Hey, Forex Swinger, what's up? Let's see, but I think this might be retesting a little bit. It's a very big... Okay. What's TMP saying? Didn't give tons. No, it had a little buy signal over here. Oh, that's my dog barking. I know how to trade the channel. You do the opposite of what you think. Oh, yeah, sorry, Deb. I didn't have a chance to update it. Oh my gosh. Okay. At this point, we might as well all take a nap and chill. No. No. It knows when I get a little bit excited. It's like, no, 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 no. No. Can't have that. It's so good. Rolf, my man, that was awesome. That was a very, very good trade. Very good call there. That was awesome. Proud of you. Okay. As we get there, I'm up this week. Damn, Gothenburg, look at you go. Okay. On that note, because this... Yeah, I'm not sitting through this. I don't know if you guys want to. You can sit through this if you want to. Thanks. Oh God, you're such a sweetie pie. I love you guys madly. Have an amazing weekend. This was my last Friday trading down here. Now I'm a little bit sad, but it's gonna be great. Okay. So I love you guys madly. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining. I will see you then on Monday. Have a great day off if you do have a holiday today. I don't know. But look who's here to say bye. Say bye to everybody. Look who's in the say bye. Okay. I love you guys madly. Have an amazing weekend. Trade safe if you are still trading this. Okay. Bye.